How are you folks? James Barrett here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely mint condition for her age 162 BMW 5 Series 520D SE Saloon. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in the jet black metallic paint finish with the BMW angel eye, LED angel eyes up front, the iconic BMW kidney grille, front parking sensors. Come around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the privacy glass in the rear with the silver trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial up top, the BMW 520D badging, the twin exhausts, the rear LED taillights, the automatic trunk, just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop right open. And you also have the rear parking sensors to give you that complete 360 degree parking view. Let's close that down. Now let's take a quick look at the interior and some of the spec on board. Now folks, that we're inside, you can see the multifunctional BMW steering wheel. This car is fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode and an eco pro mode. You have cruise control with brake function, the BMW teleservice on board with applications such as radio, media, enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, contacts, sat-nav navigation and connected drive and many other features. You have the BMW iDrive system on board, the automatic transmission, the e-brake, the 360 degree parking sensors. The interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a dark oak wood trim finish. Fully electric windows, collapsible mirrors, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers. You have the keyless push button start ignition, air conditioning, the BMW SOS service system, heated seats ideal for these cold winter mornings, and many other extras on board. Yeah folks, that was just a quick look around this 162 BMW 5 Series 520D SE Saloon. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. My name has been James Barrett and I hope you enjoyed this video.